While working on the 7th iteration of the BOLO Flier Creator, we were able to add a few new features as well as improve on the functionality to an already usable piece of software. However, there were some desired features that were left unimplemented. So in this video, I'm going to show you some of the areas of the BOLO web application where additions and improvements were most appropriate. So the first shortcoming that I'm going to show you is the BOLO PDF. So when rendering the BOLO as a PDF, the document looks plain. It does not look like an official BOLO flyer. So we were thinking that the BOLO flyer could look something more like this. This is a BOLO flyer that I found off the internet. It has a better design, it is more appealing, and looks more official. So another feature that we found useful was to add an option for root users that will allow them to change the system settings, such as setting when a temporary password expires. This feature was implemented in BOLO5, but is currently not compatible with MongoDB, so it'll be somewhere on this list if you were to implement it. We would also like to separate the users belonging to different agencies in user management. So currently, whether you're part of any agency, you're going to end up on this list. So maybe we can make it more organized so that you have to click on the agency first and then you can see the different users. Another useful feature would be a system-wide log that could be seen by the root user. It will contain information such as which users have been deleted, deactivated, and by whom. We would also like to see a system-wide data collection portal for collecting statistics. For example, it can show you how many BOLOs were created, by which agency or department created these BOLOs, and the most common time BOLOs are created. So this is how the current log looks. It just shows you information about all of the active BOLOs. Okay. So now I'm going to show you the archive BOLOs page. So when deleting archive BOLOs, we would like to change the current functionality that allows root users from other agencies to delete any BOLO. So even though, for example, this BOLO was created by a user from a different agency, I could still delete it even though I do not belong to this agency. We would like to change that functionality because we believe that only agencies that created the BOLO should be allowed to delete it. So it might be useful to create a new feature that would allow users to leave comments about any issues that they discovered while utilizing the system. So this information will be sent to developers, which will allow any problems to be fixed quicker. So this concludes my shortcomings video. We look forward to seeing some of these new features being implemented in BOLO 8.